Dear students, in the 11th episode of that arithmetic progression, we discussed about the exercise 5.1 and 5.2. Then the next episode is episode number 12. Our chapter is arithmetic progression, and we know all the results. That means get the term of an AP, that is A is equal to A plus N minus into D. The number of terms of that arithmetic progression is N is equal to A minus A by D plus 1. And the next one is sum of the n terms of that arithmetic progression. When first and the last terms are given, sum of the n terms of that progression Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus A. When first term and the common difference are given, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n will be the formula to find out the sum of n terms. We discussed the maximum questions of exercise 5.1 and 5.2. Other questions of that test, that is exercise questions, be done. You are done, or you are working as progress. Then after this exercise number 5.3, there are more questions. They are not in test, but they are in examination point of view. That means they are board questions. We discussed that problems after this exercise, and also there is some portions eliminating from this chapter. That means the daily working type problems. That is word problems. That the now, but word problems be eliminating from the exercise. Then the first question of exercise 5.3 is question number 1. Find sum sum of terms of an AP. Then first of that question is minus 37 minus 33, then minus 29, etc. to 12 days. Listen, from this question, that is a sequence of terms of that data. Therefore, first term is minus 37 and the common difference we obtained. Therefore, number of terms is 12, that is n is 12, and we can find out this one. That is, answer is A is equal to minus 37. Then D is equal to minus 33 minus 37. Then minus into minus is plus, because this is an increasing sequence. Therefore, D is positive. Then is equal to minus 33 minus into minus is plus 37. 4 plus 3 is 7. Therefore, it is equal to 4. Then 33 minus 33 plus 5 is 4 is minus 29, etc. The number of terms is what? 12. What is Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is the sum of terms of that arithmetic progression. Listen, what is n? That is S 12 is equal to 12 by 2 into a minus 37 plus 12 minus 1, it is 11, into d, it is 4. 12 by 2, that is an even number, therefore divided by 2, that is 6. 2 into minus 37, 7 2s are 40, remain 1. 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7. That is minus 74 plus 44. For 74 minus 74 minus 74 plus 44, that is 74 minus 44, that is equal to 30. Therefore it is minus 30. It is 80. Therefore the sum of first 12 terms is minus 180. That is the first question. Then question number 2. All other questions not done in this episode, they are the questions for your homework. 1 by 15, comma, 1 by 12, comma, 1 by 10, etc. How many times? 11 times. Okay, this is a fraction. Then answer is what? A is equal to 1 by 50. D is equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 50. Listen, there are two fractions. To add or subtract two fractions, we take LCM. For multiplication, multiply the numerator and also multiply the denominator. For division, multiply the numerator with the reciprocal of the denominator. To find out the LCM of 12 and 50, we can find first this. It is divisible by what? It is divisible by 2. Then 6, 50. Then 3. It is 2. Then 5 3s are 50. Therefore, these are the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? 1 and that number are the factors of a number. It is known as a prime. That is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, etc. are prime numbers. All our numbers are composite numbers. For example, 15, that is a composite number. We can multiply 15 as 3 into 5. Therefore, any composite number be taken as the product of prime numbers. Okay. Then 3 into 5, 15. 15 into 2, 30 into 2, 60. Then what is LCM? 60 is the LCM. 60 by 12, that is 3 into 2, 6 into 12. Therefore it is 5. Therefore 5 minus 60 by 15, that is 3 into 5, that is 4. So equal to 1 by 60. Okay, that is the answer. Then similarly, 1 by 12 minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 12. 60 is the LCM. 60 by 10, that is 6. 15, 60 by 5, 12, that is 5. Therefore, it is also 1 by 60. Therefore, they are same. Then, how many times? 11 times. N is equal to 11. Then, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is S11 is equal to 11 by 2, that is a fraction, into 2 into a, 2 into a, 2 into 1 by 15, that is 2 by 15, plus 11 minus 1, that is 10 into d, 1 by 16. That is equal to 11 by 2 into 2 by 50 plus 10 by 60 is 1 by 6. Then what is LCM? That is 15, 6 divided by 3, we get 5 or 2. Therefore, LCM That's equal to 11 by 2 into 5 plus 2, 7 by 3. That is equal to 77 by 60. That is the answer. Okay. Then main question number 2. Main question number 2. Find the sum given below. The first question is 7 plus 10 and a half plus 14 plus etc. plus 84. That means this is a series because sum of all terms of an arithmetic progression be known as a or sequence be known as a series. Then what is the first thing? Answer is A is equal to 7. Then D is equal to 10 and a half minus 7. 10 and a half is 2 into 10, 20 plus 1 is 21 by 2 minus 7. We take 2 as LCM. That is 21 minus 14 by 2. 21 minus 14 is equal to 7 by 2. That is D. Then the last term is given. That is A. So that is 84. We can find out the sum of these terms. So first of all, we can find out the number of terms. Therefore, using the formula, the number of terms n is equal to an minus a by d plus 1. That is n is equal to an minus a by d plus 1 is equal to n, what is 84 minus a, that is 7 by d, that is 7 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 84 minus 7, 84 minus 4, 80 minus 3, 77. That is 77 by 7. Then for the division between natural number and integer and also a fraction, that 2 goes to the numerator, that is multiplied with the reciprocal, therefore into 2 plus 1. 77 by 7 is 11. That is 11 into 2 is 22 plus 1 is equal to 23. Therefore, how many terms? 23 terms of that series. Then S7 is equal to n by 2. First and the last terms are given. It is a plus a. That is simple because we cannot find out the d. That is directly we can find out the sum. That is S 23 is equal to 23 by 2 into a, that is 7 plus last term 84. That is equal to 23 by 2 into 4 plus 7, 11. That is 84 plus 6, that is 91. Oh, sorry, 91. Then these are odd numbers, therefore we can multiply 23 into 91. 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2, 3 9s 27 remainder 2, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 2, 20. This is equal to 3, 9, 0, 2. Therefore, the answer is 2093 divided by 2. That is the answer. Okay, we can convert it also in the mixed form. Otherwise, it is 2093 divided by 2. Then in question number 2, the second question is minus 5 plus minus 8 with plus minus 1 plus etc. plus minus 230. Okay, same type of questions. A is equal to minus 5, that's the answer. D is equal to minus 8 minus 5 is equal to sorry, minus it is 11. Sorry, it is minus 11. That is equal to minus 8 plus 5, that is equal to minus 3. The last term, that is A is equal to minus 230. The number of terms n is equal to an minus a by d plus 1. That is equal to minus 230 minus 5 divided by minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 230 plus 5 divided by minus 3 plus 1. That is 230 minus 5, that is 225. That is minus 225 divided by minus 3 plus 1. Minus by minus is plus. 21. 7 3s are 21. 15. 5 3s are. That is 70. Plus 1 is equal to 76. That is the number of terms. First and last terms are given. Therefore, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. That is S 76 is equal to 76 by 2 into a. A is minus 5 plus n minus 230. 76 by 2. 3 2s are 6, 16. 8 2s are 16. Into minus 235. Then 235 into 38. Remainder 4. The remainder 2. Then 3 5s are 15. Remainder 1. 0, 3, 9, 8. That is equal to minus 8930. That is the sum of that terms. Clear? Then next let us consider question number 3. Question number 3. First question. In an AP, A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50. Find N and S. N and S. Then answer the values are given. Therefore, first term is given and the last term is given. Common difference is given. First of all, we can find out the n. Therefore, n is equal to same type question. An minus a by d plus 1 is equal to n 50 minus 5 divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to 45 by 3 plus 1 is equal to 15 3s are 45. 15 plus 1 is equal to 60. Therefore, number of terms is 60. Clear? The lesson is equal to last term, that is n by 2 into first n plus dash is equal to n 16 by 2 into a 5 plus n 50. 16 by 2 8 into 55. Then 55 into 8. So now equal to 440. That is the sum of first 68. Clear? Then second question of question number 3. Second question of question number 3. Question number 3. Second question. A3 is equal to 15. S10 is equal to 125. Find D and A. What is A3? 50. That is A3 is equal to A plus QD. That is A plus QD is equal to 50. Okay. Then what is A? A is equal to 15 minus 2. That is an equation. There are two variables A. Then S10 is given. First and the last terms we cannot find out the last term. Therefore, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We know that Sn is equal to 125. That is Sn. Therefore, 125 is equal to what is n? 10. 2a plus 10 minus 1, 9b. What is a? 15 minus 2. That is 125 is equal to 10 by 2. That is 5 into 2 into, substitute this value. 15 minus 2d plus 9d. Okay. That is 125. Is equal to 5 into 15 into 2, 30. 2 into minus 2d, minus 4d, plus 9d. Then divided by 5, 125 by 5. Is equal to 30 minus 40 plus 90 plus 5d. Then 125 by 5, that is 25. Is equal to 3d plus 5d. Therefore, 5d is equal to 25 minus 30 is equal to minus 5. Therefore, d is equal to minus 1. That is minus 5 by 5 is minus 1. But d is minus 1. We can find out the d. We cannot. Therefore, what is a? Therefore, a is equal to 15 minus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 15 plus 2 is equal to 7. Clear? Then we can find out S. A is equal to A plus 9d. What is A? 7d plus 9 into d minus 1 is equal to 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. That is from the term of that sequence. Then third question, question number 3. A is equal to 8. AN is equal to 62. SN is equal to 210. Find N and D. Find N and D. Okay. Then N is 62. Sn is equal to 210. Then what is Sn? N by 2 into first tail plus last tail. They are given. What is the answer? Clear? What is the Sn? 210 is equal to N by 2 into first tail, it is 8. Last tail is 62. That is 210 is equal to N by 2 into 62 plus 8. 70 and 2 cancels to 35. Therefore, 35 N is equal to 210. Therefore, N is equal to 210 by 35. Divided by 7, 5. Divided by 7, 30. Is equal to 30 by 5 is equal to 6. Therefore, N is equal to 6. We can find out the N and D. Then we can find out the D. That is A6 is equal to A plus 5D. Then A6 is 62 because N is 6. Therefore, 62 is equal to 8 plus 5D. Therefore, 5D is equal to that is 250, 250 by 3, that is 6. Then we can find out N. Then A6 is equal to A plus, that is 62 is equal to A is 8 plus 5D. Therefore, 5D is equal to 62 minus 8. Therefore, D is equal to A6 is equal to A plus. So, A plus 5D. Is equal to 2 2s are 4, 14, 20. Therefore, we get to N is equal to 6 and D is equal to 20. Then main question number 4. How many terms of the AP? That is an important question. 9, 17, 25 must be taken. The sum of 636. Sum of 636. Okay. This is an important question. That's a board question. There is an AP is given. We can find out the number of terms such that sum is 636. The answer is, what is A? A is equal to 9. B is equal to 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Sn is given, that is Sn is equal to 636. Then that everything is not given. Therefore the formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is an applied question for that quadratic equation. Then Sn is 636 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 8, that is 18 plus n minus 1 into 8, that is 636 is equal to n by 2 into 18. Then 8 into n, 8 n. 8 into minus 1, that is minus 8. That is 636 is equal to n by 2 into 18 minus 8. 10 plus 18. Then take 2 as a common factor. 636 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 5 plus 4n. Then 2 cancels. 636 is equal to 5 into n, 5n, plus 5n into 4n, that is 4n square. That is 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We can find out the solution or root of that quadratic equation by any method. Okay? Then what is A? 4. What is B? 5. C minus 636. Clear? N is equal to, what is formula? Minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC or divided by 2A. That is it. What is the 5? Therefore minus B is minus 5. Plus or minus root of B square, 5 square, that is 25. Minus 4 into minus. Minus into minus plus. 4 into 4, 4AC. That is 4 into 4. That is 60. That is 636 into 60. The answer is 6, 7, 1, 0. That is 10176. Divided by 2a, that is 6. Is equal to minus 5 plus or minus root of. Then add 6 plus 5. 11. That is 1. It is 0, 1, 2, 0. Divided by 8. Then we can find out the square root of this one. 100 square is equal to what? 100 square is 10,000. The last one is 6. 6 means 4 into 4 16. 6 into 6 36. Therefore 104 into 104. 4 into 4 16 remains 1. 144. Then 0 0. Then 4 0 1. 6 1. Remaining is 1. That is not 4. It is 1 not 1. 1 into 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 into 1 1 0 1 1 0 2 0 1. Okay. Therefore, the square root of 10,201 is 101. That's equal to minus 5 plus or minus 101 whole divided by 8. Therefore, the number of terms is always positive. Therefore, it is minus 5 plus. Therefore, n is equal to minus 5 plus 101 divided by 8. That's equal to 101 minus 1 is 1 minus 1. That is 96 by 8. Equal to 1 8 is 1 8, the remainder 60, therefore that 8 2s are 60. Therefore, number of terms is 12. Therefore, sum of 12 terms is 636. Clear? First of all, we can find out that Sn using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 2d, from which we get a quadratic equation in n. It is 4n square plus 5n minus 636 0. Using the quadratic formula, we can find out the value of n. There are two values, one is positive and other is negative, but n is the natural number, therefore only n is equal to 1. Only n is equal to 12. Then next question number 5. Question number 5. The first case of an AP is 5. Last case, is 45. And the sum is equal to 400. Find the m and the d. Find the n and the d. This one, that answer is what? First term is 5, that is a is equal to 5. Last term, a is equal to 45. Then d is not given, we can find out d. Sum is given, that is a same type question. Sn is equal to 400. Then Sn is equal to what? N by 2 into first and the last are given, that is a plus a. That is 400 is equal to n by 2 into what is a? 5. What is a? 40. Therefore 400 is equal to n by 2 into 45 plus 5, it is 50. 50 by 2 is 25. Therefore 25 n is equal to 400. Therefore n is equal to 400 by 25. 25 4s are 100. 4 into 4 60. That is 60. That is the number of terms. Then last term, that is a. That is a16 is equal to a plus 15b. A16 is 45 is given. Yeah, it is 5 plus 15d. Therefore, 15d is equal to 45 minus 5 is equal to, that is a 16. N is 16, therefore sum of first 16 terms, therefore N is equal to 45. That is a 16 is equal to A plus 15d. That is 45 is equal to A, that is 5 plus 15d. Therefore, 15d is equal to 45 minus 5. 45 minus 5, what is it? 40. Therefore, d is equal to 40 by 50 divided by 5. 8 5s are divided by 5. Therefore, that d is 8 by 3 and that n is equal to 60. Clear? Then find the sum of question number 6 of first 22 terms. 22 terms. Open 18. D is equal to 7. A 22 is equal to 149. Okay, that is the next question. Find the sum of 22 terms. D is 7. A 22 is 149. Therefore, A22 is equal to what? A plus 20 only. A22 is replaced by 149 is equal to A. A is not given, that is A plus 21 into D, it is 7. Therefore, 149 is equal to A plus 147. Therefore, A is equal to 149 minus 147 is equal to 2. Therefore, sum Sn is equal to n by 2 into first tail plus last tail. That is S22. So, 22 by 2 into what is A? 2. What is N? Second term 149 is equal to 22. That 2 by 2 is 11 into 149 plus 2, 151. 151, 151. Then 1, 6 plus. Is equal to 1661. That is the sum of first 22 terms. Sum of first 22 terms. Then question number 7. The sum of first 7 pairs is 49 and that of 17 pairs is 289. Find the sum of n pairs. That is sum of 10 pairs. That means S7 is equal to 49 and S70 is equal to 289. S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. That is 7 minus 1. That is 6d. And S17 is equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 16d. What is S7? 49. 49 is equal to 7 by 2 into. We take the 2 as common into 2. Therefore, a plus 3d. These two cancels. 49 by 7, that is a plus 3d is equal to 49 by 7 is equal to 7. That means a plus 3d is equal to 7. Similarly, from second equation we get a plus something. Therefore, second equation S17 is 289. 289 is equal to 17 by 2 into. We take the 2 as common. A plus 8d. 2 cancels. Therefore, a plus 8d is equal to 289 by 7d. We can divide 289 by 70. 1 times 70. 17 into 7. Yes. That is 7 times. Is equal to 70. Yes, that is 77 is 289. Therefore, a plus 8d is equal to 7. Question number 2. 2 minus 1. Because this is data. 2 minus 1 gives 8d minus 3d, that is 5d. 17 minus 7 is equal to 10. Therefore, d is equal to 10 by 5 is equal to 2. What is the question? Find the sum of n terms. Then substitute in first equation, that is a plus 3 into 2 is equal to 7. Therefore, a plus 6 is equal to 7. Therefore, a is equal to 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Therefore, a is equal to 1 and it is equal to 2. Find the sum of n terms. Therefore, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to n, that is unknown, by 2 into. What is a? 1. 2 into a, 2 plus n must be d. What is d? It is 2. That is equal to n by 2 into 2 plus 2n minus 2. 2 cancels. That is equal to n by 2 into 2n. 2 cancels equal to n square. Therefore, Sn is equal to n square. We discussed about all the 7 questions of exercise 5.3. Then the next questions and also more questions in the next episode. Okay.